Hey everybody, hope you can hear and see me clearly. I barely have any time, I'm not gonna lie, because we are pushing to the upside right now. Market just open. I have not prepared because I'm moving. As you can see on the background, I have I have a lot of math and mess on the background, and yeah, I really do not have time. Did not have time to prepare for the bias because the market's been open for 4 minutes now. I just entered on the market, so I barely have any time. Let's get that shit a little bit fast, but hopefully it will be fine. 9:30, market's been open. Okay, Asia lows we have right here. Asia high not gonna even show because we already pushed past through it. It's obvious. Bum high, London low, Asia low, and that's just kind of it for today. All that. I have in bullish SMT pushing this upside right now with sweeping London lows. Liquidity here. All are relatively equal on the 4 hour. Same we've got like there. Okay, let's mark this out just in case. Having a huge bearish SMT with NQ and ES that was the downside. Yeah, because we already pushed past through this here, and yeah, we're definitely looking fire, bro. It's like 40 degrees outside, and like it's so hot. I can stand that shit, but we'll push through this, so I'm gonna get rid of that high on the hourly. We are here. Push past through everything here. Let's get here. Already pushed past through it. I'm gonna get rid of it a bit later. Yes, okay, here one low is fine. That's fine. Hourly we are bullish. On the 4 hour we are obviously also bullish. By the way, oh, we aren't bullish. Technically we're still like bearish, but I'm not gonna lie, we're looking bullish, so I would make it bullish. On the 5 minute we are on the 15 minute. Let me check the 15 minute. Looking fine. Yes, let me check if I marked out everything on the hourly, and I think I did. Nothing interesting in here. Yeah, okay. The most important thing is hourly lows and highs. Everything else is just a mess. We already took out the London high on both indexes. ES is a little bit higher, and overall it is also higher so than NQ. NQ is a lead index to the downside. Let me open my FTMO application. I'm down $434 this month. This is the first day of the week, and on pre-last day of the month. Today we have no news, so probably not gonna take any sort of trades. Yeah, let me. $4 this month. This is the first okay, you can see and hear me clearly. This is fantastic. I'm not gonna lie. Let's go there. Okay, we're having some sort of I'm on my FTMO application at the moment trying to find the places where I would want the price to go. Okay, here is fine, here is fine. Let's just, get this shit done. On the hourly on ES, I am marking not only that high, the highest high. I can, yeah, that is the highest high. And I also add one line. I will just explain it in a few seconds. Don't be scared or something. I just marked out on hourly, uh, marked out those highs on ES and hourly, and then Nasdaq I marked out that and that high, and just added an extra line for helping me adjusting my stop loss for the possible trade I'll take to enter this preset stop loss and take profit. Now I can already get rid of that thing because we already pushed past through that. The same is here, but on hourly we did push past. We are having a bullish SMT from here to here on Nasdaq, and yes, is a leading index again to the upside on this SMT. It's already been played out, right? Yeah, it is. So technically, we no longer care about that. Yeah, we do not care about that anymore. So there is no SMT I could call, and for now I'm making a 5-minute retracement to the downside. If I can see it clearly, and I think I can. Having this equilibrium, touching that on NQ and on ES, starting to push this upside. Let me check it real quick. Did we break the structure to the downside? No, we didn't. We got hit this equilibrium shit, but we did not, like, not gonna lie, it's early in the market, so because we barely touched equilibrium, and like kind of doubting that would be a good idea to enter like right now. If I would want to enter, I'll probably do it on ES because it's simply the like leading index to the upside. So let me preset my possible TP on that shit. It will be like 12 lots, I guess. Take profit is that point of that one. So it will be like, nah, 12 lots is too much. But like $200 I could make on that. I mean, and yeah, yes is looking cool, but again, since we did not break the structure to the downside, like in fact, I wouldn't like be. There's no gap, so we did break the structure. Okay, so I'm entering on the freaking ES right the fucking moment right now. Or no, should I? NQ is looking. Okay, let me focus. On the 50-minute, we are kind of like broke structure to the downside. Now we're moving to the upside, so maybe it's a little bit too early on the market. So maybe it won't be that great idea. Wouldn't be that great of an idea of like entering, but I don't care. I think I will enter. I entered on ES, by the way. A little bit late, but again, I sort of didn't have enough time. I'm not gonna lie, so I just like entered the market, and like where entered on ES, by the way. I have to say, okay, a bit higher than the body of the candle. Let me get rid of the magnet. It is kind of here, yeah. Kind of here. Magnet is here. My stop loss is kind of here, but I'll make it like I'll shorten it for sure later. Okay, I'll just make this move then. Kind of 1.3 RR trade. Not looking too bad, but setup got hit, so I can't ignore that, Okay, let me go on the list. on my trading journal, and I'm going to document it. That's freaking WhatsApp got opened, unfortunately. Let me scroll that shit down. I'm down at 150 bucks overall throughout my whole trading journey. So it's a long way, like, towards me, waiting for me, and yeah. I already entered again, and let me see how much do I risk on that. I didn't set my stop loss though. Just like, just come home. Yeah, my stop loss is at the 0.7397.5. So I'm risking 150 bucks with a possibility to win 175. Not too much though, but it is what it is. Still, like, still fine. Okay. If I win that, I mean, if I win that, it is kind of fine. 170 was like, I'm losing much less usually, so I don't get like this day. This is huge, but I won after that, so I can get, like, I can neglect that loss. So overall, like, this is two trades. These are two trades. Overall, like, this is a huge one, and I didn't have to take this trade, but like, this one is fine. So overall, I'm losing like 140 max and like 115, 115, 130. So 150 win is like fine. And yeah, it could be a like, it could be a fast win probably, but don't know if I have to let the shit run after we hit that point, because like we could reverse and stuff. But no, I think I'm gonna just leave that shit, because it's looking like it's worth it to leave that, not gonna lie. And yeah, okay, on the it's fucking 3 minutes time frame. Again, the 5 minute we just broke the structure to the upside, so like kind of looking fine, but that bearish candlestick doesn't really make me feel good. Entered the trade, trying to remember if I told you everything, guys, but I think I did. So maybe I will adjust my, like, my stop loss a bit, like make it a bit, holy freaking god, there is no way. But equilibrium is still like not too far down, so I'll just make my stop loss a little bit higher, because I just don't want to like over risk on that shit. I'm risking like 120 on or something right now. I'll document the trade as soon as possible. It was taken on ES, though I'm usually not taking trades on ES, but ES was looking like a cleaner setup, so why wouldn't I take this trade on ES? Bullish liquidity. Liquidity SMT now. That was just a liquidity and break of, no, it was inverse for value gap. Yeah, it was inverse for value gap and simply like equilibrium, right? Equilibrium. I'm risking like again 1.2 on that. So it's kind of a good trade. Pretty far way up. I mean my take profit, but somehow on my like FTMO application it looks like more far away. By the way, yeah, I'm gonna show you right now that I'm in the position on my account here. What the fuck is happening? Yeah, as you can see, bros, like we are in the position. It was an ES, but I wouldn't be sure that you could recognize ES here because it's called like something like 100 something. Let me look for it. Where, well, yeah, USV 500 cash, so S&P 500, you could recognize it even easier. So stop loss is like here, or like what, bid ask spread, some random shit. I don't know. I don't give a fuck about that. And I'm not gonna lie, but overall, you can see that your TP is here, 7.5 pips. Stop loss pips is like 12, so good RR, fine RR, I'd say. Let me check the position. We're going backwards, a freaking downside. Don't know why are we doing that shit right now, but again, I'm now risking on that. So even if I got stopped out, well, I'll be doomed because like overall I lost a lot throughout this month. So, and I'm like 440 down. That's like huge, not gonna lie. But holy shit. Holy shit, bruh. So that's disgusting. That's really awful. Doesn't it? That's really awful. Why are we pushing that badly to the downside right now? Not gonna lie, I'm confused. Because like we just broke the 50-minute structure, like order flow to the upside. The structure, yeah, structure to the upside though. So we're kind of in a bullish order flow on 15 minutes. So it could be a simple like retracement, right? So why would I be even like? Why would I even be like? I don't know. Bet about that trade, and yeah, I think yes, I did. Just come home. The fuck? No mistakes, no influence, I guess, from by emotional, and that was a clean setup, and I did over risk, so that's like fine, and we are pushing to the upside. So that was a good trade. On Friday, I took a loss because like I was like I showed it on stream, but I'll talk it through real quick while we are waiting on our setup to like play out. Uh, so throughout the day on Friday, I was trading obviously, and I got a loss. Here you can see that. So I got a loss, small loss, but again, I've got a lot of small losses, and that made me be negative a huge amount. Like I mean, overall. So yeah, I'm down a lot. I'm down a lot, and that win won't make me really like won't change anything. I'm not gonna lie. So I am now even 10,000 after I like win that. I will be still uh have fewer amount of money than I had when I bought that account. So the win won't change too much. But that's good. I at least started to win because like, but actually I did not win just yet, technically. So I don't like how those like weeks are looking, but we are still pushing to the upside. I'm not going to like lie or something to you guys, but I could consider longing till like up there, maybe, and I'll probably even do though. Uh, I like let me, but it's not looking like it will. I don't know. There's pretty much nothing to target in here, and we could really reverse really easily afterwards. And don't know if we could like push that like high throughout the 4 hour time frame. And yeah, I don't like that we are starting to do like some shit. We are kind of doing nothing right now, like not going in any directions. Like we're still in positive like PNL at the trade, but bro, like what would be like, I don't know how to treat that. We have this for this 1 minute for value gap, which we are actually about to inverse, which isn't really looking cool. But let me, nah, we'll definitely inverse that shit. So we are on the 1 minute already. Oh fuck. Why are we going though badly on the 5 minute? Yeah, let me check the 5 minute. Bro, I don't like that. I don't like that. Ah, it's okay. It's Nvidia. Okay. No, bro, I don't like it for sure. It's looking terrible. Before I enter, we did break the structure to the upside in the 5 minute. Made a reversal and like, bro, I'm gonna be stopped out. Are you, bro? Like, that's horrible. I hate that shit. I hate trading, bro. I genuinely hate trading. What the fuck is happening all the time, bro? It's like I'm losing all the time, even though I'm not even like doing anything wrong. What did I do freaking wrong in here, huh? What did I wrong? What did I do wrong, bro? I like did everything in like how it's supposed to be done, but look at that. It's just gonna stop me out right now. Have no clue what got wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna be stopped up for sure right now, but that's horrible. Yeah, I'm not gonna lose a lot, but bros, in summary, I lost so many trades that like
broke structure to the upside, 5 minute retrace into this, and then extended higher. Same exact thing happened here.
yeah, I got stopped out just right now. And yeah.
Revenge trade?
Yeah, so he also got stopped up. I mean TGR. I lost 170.6 on that. I genuinely hate trading, bro. Genuinely hate that.
Buy high, sell low. That's what happened today.
Almost like 1,000 down. Around like.
Market's just reversing. Crazy.
No way, bro.
We'll have to see what happens. It's still 9:56. Market's just reversing. Crazy. Follow the strategy. Even if I took longs on this one right here on NASDAQ, we still would have got stopped out because these would have been my TPs. Maybe I would have moved stop to break even, but I don't know. Strategy confirmed a short on NQ. Well, that's not true. We haven't even broken 5 minute structure to the downside yet.
Bro, like. Wow. Pushing that much. Are you that as serious, bro? I genuinely hate that freaking shit.
We still could have some opportunity, but
We're about to break 5 minute structure. We're already like
$200,000 in a day, bro.
Bros, it's I'm down 550 freaking bucks on the
I would
month.
be really surprised if he doesn't want to grab these highs for real. I guess not, or I guess ES grabbed these ones, but still kind of surprised that ES wouldn't want to grab those. All right, this 5 minutes about to break structure to the downside.
That's
Wasn't even
horrible.
on your live? Yeah, it was. I took it on Trade of 8, bro.
No way, bros. Took same trade as TGR, but got stopped out. I actually didn't like stream sniped him or something, so I just got this trade, same trade, just because like I use almost like same strategy, basically just the same strategy. So I was just doing the same thing as he did, even though like I wasn't on stream. But again, like I've been respecting my freaking strategy for this whole month, and I'm like sucking dick, not gonna lie. Like, bro, I'm down almost 600. Even if I somehow like win like 150 bucks trade tomorrow, I'll be down like 350 or something. Or no, 400. I'll be down 400, bro. That's horrible. 40% win rate, bro. 40% freaking win rate. Yeah, I'm on a huge low streaks. Yeah, I've got a win here, but that's genuinely horrible. I'm not going to lie. That's like disgustingly bad. Uh, yeah, we're just pushing to the downside now hugely, and broke the structure on the 5 minute. Like there is no retracement, and like
Not yet. I could potentially look for one more, but I need to set it to happen.
like I don't know, bros. Like DGR, I'm on the stream right now. He's saying like he'll probably takes in one more trade if like the setup comes in. But I usually don't do that. Like I usually do, and I get stopped out 2 times, and I'm losing a huge amount of money, like I did that day on 11th of June. Like, why should I do it again? Like, even if I risk normally, like, doesn't make sense.
You are welcome, Trade of 8. Yes, sir.
We're in kind of bullish SMT right now because uh, we are having a SMT from here to here and from here to here. So we're
Trade locker? Nice.
basically we are kind of like, I don't think the SMT will really make any sort of like influence. I think that it's more like something which could cause a retracement. And if we do, like, it could be a good setup, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know. Like, really, bros, look, we are technically, we just closed an hourly, we closed still bullish. Here we, like, kind of also. Okay, here we broke. Here we are bearish on NQ, on hourly, but yeah, maybe they could look like a good setup, but like I don't know, bro. I don't over risk.
Break structure to the upside on the 1 minute.
Like technically, I could like follow the strategy again because it's prime time to enter right now. But don't know, bro. Like there is no retracement right now to the upside. We haven't broken the structure to the upside. We could potentially pretty much soon. But again, if I like lose this trade as well, that could be awful. That could be horrible. I'm not gonna like. It's like from my overall statistics, I'm not gonna blow the account or something, but like I'm gonna be down a lot, and I'm already down the months a lot, so don't want to do that. We've got two negative months in a row. Previous one was because of mine. Actually, like I admitted, previous month I was completely like before that I was 3 months straight I was profitable. Then I like closed 2 months negative. Last month I really did some mistakes, which caused me to like uh caused me to lose. Uh, yeah, I've made some mistakes. Basically, just I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Like we are looking horrible on that. I mean, for taking anything, cause like we aren't doing anything, any shit. Yeah. So last month I lost. Like I've been closed negative simply because I was like not respecting. There were like mostly I respect my strategies, but there are some days where I like make a mistake, make two trades, and closing the negative so much that I can like recover after that loss. That what usually happens. I'm not gonna lie, and like I don't know. I don't know, bros. Like this month, I'm closing negative so much, but I was almost profitable last month, and I only closed negative simply because I again didn't respect my strategy for a few days, for 2 days exactly. But here I respected every single day. On like even here, I wasn't too over risking. Like 320 was like I don't know. Okay, this day I over risked, but I'm not gonna lie. Here I won a lot. Here I won a lot. Here and here I won like so much that I'm covering those two losses, no doubt. And like, so what's the point? Here I'm also like, mostly I'm covering everything. Like here I got to fucking three trades, but there's just like, I guess it is just yeah. I guess it is the same trade. So or like two trades which are simply like whatever. So it's now risking as well. I'm just taking three trades. So yeah, I'm not losing too much here, not winning too much here. Uh, but my usually like here I lost 190 here. I not like revenge trade, but I did take a second trade and then it ended up a winning trade for me. So I closed like bullish a little bit, but it doesn't worth it like to take a second trade. So I don't think I'm gonna call it a day. Uh, yeah. So yeah, I simply I close negative like the months. Holy shit! I've been respecting my strategy for a whole month afterwards after that huge win, and look how I ended up. I am losing every single day. Okay, here I got a loss. Oh, here I got a winning day, but actually, yeah, it's statistics are telling that there are like two trades that have been, but there was actually one trade which I simply like. Split by like trade hit my first TP. After that, I closed and like it hit my break even point almostly, but I closed a little bit earlier. So it's signing like it's two trades, but actually it was one. So it's $151 trade. That was good, but again, I lost today and lost yeah like on Friday. So I got multiple losses even though I was respecting my strategy on each of those trades. So it's simply unlock. So I'm, even though I'm down so much, I don't like that, but I'm still fine with that because it's not my fault. And like, there's a period of the when the market doesn't respect my strategy, but sometimes it happens. It doesn't mean it will be always, because like overall my strategy works, and I'm trusting that. And we'll just see what is gonna happen. Like, I'm not gonna blow my account for sure, so I'm not really scared or something. But it will definitely take more time for me to like to pass it. Yeah, and we are like, look how we are pushing to the downside. I don't see a world where we're like, no, I don't want, like, I'm down for a day. I'm down for is a day. Wait, I forgot to take the screenshots. Today I'll make an exception and even take a screenshot today, because stream is short anyways, and like, yeah, I'm down overall. I'm down $1,000. I mean, overall, throughout my whole trading journey, even though on the stream you could notice that, like, if you watched it and if you didn't, that fine. I was at the point I was breaking, so I was zero, and I've got that thousand down. I'm thousand negative only like for 2 last months, because before I was 3 months is like profitable in a row. So that's shit. I'm not gonna lie. But again, this is just, this month isn't my fault for real. But uh, this is why I'm not really scared. I'll just like recover next month. That's fine. 1 month isn't a year or something, so I will recover for sure. Uh, yeah, we're dumping as fuck. We're dumping it as fuck. What are we fucking? Let me close the stream, because like I'm not even watching that, but I forgot to close it. Yeah, so I'm down so much, and but it's 40 degrees outside. That's like hot. The fuck happened? Okay, it's Nasdaq. I took a trade on ES, so boom, MQ is here. Yes, is here. Setup was hit, so I'm not feeling bad about that loss, but I'm feeling bad about like an amount of loss which I took this month is huge. I know, like, the mentor who uses my strategy, which is basically TGR, you know him. He is profitable this month though, but he usually trades otherwise. He trades a lot. He takes a lot of trades after like trade session has been finished, and I do not. So I mean, not session, but I usually stop trading after 10:30. He usually made his wins after 10:30 this month, and they were like kind of, I'm not gonna call them random, but for me, like usually it doesn't really align with his strategy though. But he's a, you know, obviously an experienced trader, and he doesn't need those rules to be respected that much as I do. So for now, respecting my strategy, I'm losing. He is up because he's just an experienced trader, and he doesn't always really respecting his rules, because he simply doesn't need it. What a dump, bro. What a dump. I'm gonna check Twitter soon, just because like I'm confused about like why are we down so much. But yeah, trading journal is here. Boom. Down so much this month, last month. As you can see, I wasn't respecting my strategy, as it's a fucked up shit. April was profitable, March was profitable, and February was profitable. So when I was respecting my strategy, there were like days were like a lot of days when there are 2 trades per day, but mostly, yeah, mostly there are 2 trades per day. Some of them are one, like, but I've been having a good like win rate. So Here, Evan Reed is a little bit fucked, but mostly took small losses and good wins, so that's why I'm profitable that month. That month was also profitable. I was just like having a lot of trades, right? But the win rate was great. So, and May and June I am unprofitable. Hopefully I will recover tomorrow at least a little bit, to just go negative, not that much, but we'll see. Maybe I'm not just even going to take a trade tomorrow. uh After that, we'll see in July and see how that shit would work. Yeah, see how that shit will work. And Friday we have a bank holiday, but whatever. Yeah, well, guys, we'll see each other in tomorrow, and hopefully I'll recover in July and stay profitable. Since I'm respecting my rules now, for real, I see a big progress. Even though I'm down a huge amount of like I'm down so much, but I'm respecting my strategy though. So that's good. That's cool. And yeah, thanks guys for watching. And I'm gonna end the stream because I'm